Hello, thanks for watching my video. So these are a couple hauls that I got. One was from OfferUp and the other from Midwest Tool Review. So we'll do the OfferUp one first. Just the one here on the left in between two tool boxes. So the tools came in those two boxes, and obviously there was other stuff, but was junk. So let's take a look what we got. So got 6 adjustable wrenches. Got a 6-inch crescent, 8-inch crescent made by Utica Tools, 10-inch crescent, 12-inch crescent, another 12-inch by Utica Tools, and a 15-inch crescent. These are actually Crescent brand wrenches. Got this bent-handled adjustable wrench made by Westcott. So what is it? The Keystone Manufacturing, USA. It's pretty cool. Got a big combination wrench, 1 1/8". I think it's a Vlechk, USA made. Dunlap pipe wrench that I actually blued it kind of in motor oil, heated up and blued it to protect it. Got this Lark-O-Matic. It's an adjustable head wrench. It's kind of cool. It's spring loaded. So it'll adjust to the size of the head that you're putting on there. It's a cool idea, but it doesn't work too well. Got some spanner wrenches. This one's an adjustable one. These aren't. The plumber's wrench, I forget what it's called. For faucets or some damn thing. Pry bar, Proto. And then we have 2 thread files, restorers. Got some measuring gauges for like machine work. It's a Dunlap nut driver set. Got a pair of Snap-on needle nose, the alligator texture on them, I think they're called. A 7-inch and a 10-inch vice grips, USA originals. 1/2-inch, 2 1/2-inch drive ratchets, 1 round head, 1 pear head. 1/2-inch breaker bar, some 3/8 and 1/2-inch sockets, and then the other toolbox. So that was $50 from OfferUp. And then this over here was from Midwest Tool Review. I think I paid $45, I think, for this. So got a Cornwell 3/8 ratchet, Wright Tools 3/8 ratchet that I had to plastic dip the handle because the handle was missing on it. Snap-on vacuum pump, some random sockets, SK, Proto, the JC Penney's in there, made in USA, kind of weird. We got some snap ring pliers, a Snap-on vacuum tester, missing the gauge, some combination wrenches, Gador, Crowder, Industro, Arrow. Other ones I don't know, no name brands. And we got some screwdrivers, wood-handled screwdrivers. This one's a Mac, and this one's a Snap-on. That's it. Thanks for watching.